Optimization is the process whereby we find the maximum or minimum value of a quadratic function. This process is done by finding the vertex of the quadratic function. If f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, then the vertex is given by the formula negative b over 2a, comma, f of negative b over 2a. Just remember that if a is greater than 0, you have a minimum, and if a is less than 0, you have a maximum. So first we're going to find we are given the marginal cost in dollars of manufacturing X portable digital players, and this is given us in this function c of x equaling 0.05x squared minus 9x plus 435. So knowing all these facts, how many portable players should be manufactured to minimize the marginal cost, excuse me. What is the minimum marginal cost? So we got two questions. So first things first, we're going to find the vertex. And here we see that a is positive, so we know that the vertex will give us a minimum, which is exactly what it's asking of us here. So we're in good standing. So a is going to equal 0.05 and b is going to equal negative 9. So now we're going to find our x value, which is going to be negative b over 2a. So it's going to be negative 9 over 2 times 0.05, which is going to give us 9 over 0.1, which will give us 90. So remember that negative b over 2a is just what x equals in the vertex. So our x value is 90. Now we have to find the y value. So that means we take 90, our x value, and plug it into our function here. So c of 90 is going to give us 0.05 90 squared minus 9 times 90 plus 435. And just putting all that in your calculator just to get an answer, we're going to end up getting just a very simple 30. So our y value for the vertex is 30. This is all well and good, 90 and 30, but what does it all mean? Because they're asking us specific questions. So remember that X represents portable digital players, and it asks how many portable players should be manufactured. Well, if X is portable players, and how many portable players are we being asked to make? The answer is 90. So how many? 90 should, well, we'll be a little more specific. 90 portable players should be made. And then finally, what is the minimum marginal cost? And C is the minimal cost, or marginal cost. And C is just our y value, 30. So what is the minimum marginal cost? $30 is the minimum marginal cost. You don't have to actually word it the way I did. You can word it any way you want to, so long as it conveys the specific information as asked.